In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Gempages to Shopify in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but making sure you follow each step carefully is key to getting your page live smoothly. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify. Make sure you're logged into your account and navigate to the appropriate section where you manage your store's themes. This is where the magic begins. Having Shopify open in front of you helps synchronize your creative work with the end goal, publishing a visually compelling and functional page that perfectly aligns with your store's needs. Once you're in the Shopify admin area, the next step is to open the Gempages editor for the page you want to publish. Think of the Gempages editor as your creative playground where you can tweak and style your page design to align with your brand's aesthetic. This tool not only gives you flexibility, but also provides a user-friendly environment to experiment with layouts, designs, and content. Remember, it's essential to ensure that your page's design speaks to your audience, as this can significantly influence your visitors' experience and engagement with your online store. With the editor open, look for the Publish button. It's typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button moves you one step closer to going live, but before you do, pause for a moment. As enticing as the Publish button is, it's crucial to verify that everything is set up correctly. The next critical task is to review the Publish settings. Here, you want to ensure your page is configured for success. Go through the SEO settings to ensure your page can easily be found by search engines, which can significantly boost your store's visibility. Also, don't forget to check the social sharing options. These settings determine how your page looks when shared on social media platforms, impacting the first impression you give to potential visitors. A well-maintained SEO structure and appealing social sharing settings can drive more traffic and enhance your store's reach. By following these essential steps, you ensure your Gempages are not just published, but optimized for both search engines and social interactions, amplifying your store's online presence. And there you have it. With these simple yet detailed steps, you've learned how to publish Gempages to Shopify efficiently. Remember, the beauty of using tools like Gempages is the balance of creativity and functionality they provide. Thank you for watching and happy publishing.